SHENZHEN JUTAI Communications Company Limited, founded in 2012, we have entrenched ourselves as a pioneering force in the intelligent sensor sector, forging three core R&D pillars. Our hardware division specializes in the manufacturing of high-performance intelligent door sensors. The software segment engineers exclusive IoT cloud solutions tailored to our diverse range of door sensors. And the overseas parking business transcends the limitations of cash payments by integrating global electronic payment ecosystems. R&D prowess. We boast a world-class professional R&D team of 22 elites, encompassing 16 software engineers, 4 hardware engineers, and 2 structural engineers. Through seamless synergy between our software and hardware teams, we deliver unwavering support for product innovation and technological evolution. Core hardware portfolio, spanning 3 premium categories: microwave opening motion sensors, safety photocells and light curtains, and loop sensors. Motion sensors activate automatic door operation with precision. Safety light curtains provide robust anti-collision protection for people and vehicles during door movement. Loop sensors intelligently detect forklifts to trigger door activation and ensure operational safety, facilitating seamless vehicle entry and exit. Flagship solution ecosystem, comprising 4 industry-leading offerings: IoT cloud control solution, smart parking management solution, smart access control solution, and e-wallet international payment solution. Vision for the future. We will relentlessly advance the global expansion of our IoT cloud applications, empower the upgrading of industrial intelligence through core technologies, and strive to make extraordinary contributions to the advancement of the global industrial intelligent control landscape. Our commitment. We are dedicated to empowering customer success through innovative technologies and reliable services. Backed by formidable technical capabilities, stable production capacity, comprehensive after-sales support, and a clear global vision, we are fully equipped to embrace future challenges and co-create enduring value with customers worldwide.